Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable multiple choice option in a WordPress poll using crowd signal. Let's begin. First, log into your account, and once you're on your WordPress, I want you to go, this is going to be your dashboard, okay? Or your my homepage. I want you to click over here on the feedback section, then click on the crowd signal, okay? Crowd signal. The tool used for creating polls, surveys, and quizzes. Now under here, I want you to click on your account or usually your username. Click on that, select settings to access the crowd signal customization options. Over here, locate the multiple choice option and toggle it on. This allows respondents to select more than one answer in your poll. Make sure to click Save Options to apply your changes and activate the feature. And that's it. You've successfully turned on multiple choice in your WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.